Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch the full lecture.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last part 3 video, I have explained about the macroeconomic effect of the GST. If you have not watched my video, please watch part 3 video, then come back to this part 4 video. Now in this particular part, we'll be studying about the rationale of GST. What is this rationale of GST means? What is the main logic behind this GST, or what is the reason why we require this GST? First, central government levies excise duty on manufacturing and service tax on supply of services. So it empowers sales government to levy sales tax on VAT. So what happens before? Central government also was levying some tax, and even state government also was levying some tax. Central government was levying excise duty on manufacturing of goods, then service tax on supply of services. Same for same product, sales state government was levying sales tax or value added tax. So this exclusive division of power has led to multiplicity of indirect taxes in the country. So this division between central government and state government led to multiple taxes. So many taxes was used. ಮುಂಚೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸೈಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸೇಮ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ನ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ಗಳು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಲಿ ಇದ್ವು. The multiplicity of taxes at the state and central levels has resulted in complex indirect tax structure in the country that is ridden with hidden cost for the trade and industry. So what happens due to this multiple taxes? It became very complex. It became very complex this structure in India, and ridden means supported, and it also supported for the hidden cost. So many industries and trading sectors and all, they hide their profits and did cheating while paying taxes. ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ತುಂಬ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸು ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು. ಇದರಿಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಯರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು, ಅವರು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಹೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ rate, and secondly there is a cascading of tax due to tax on tax. In my second part video I have told about the cascading of tax, please watch that if you have not watched. So due to this, what happened, there was no uniformity of tax rate for one product, one tax rate, one state, one tax rate they were following. And this also led to tax cascading, means tax on tax, means you have already paid the tax, same again on that you are paying tax at the one more level. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ರೇಟ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಕಟ್ತಾನೆ, ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. The introduction of GST would mark a clear departure from the scheme of distribution of fiscal powers envisaged in the Constitution. Means, whatever this division of powers was there, it was eliminated by the implementation of GST. ಈ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಈ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆವಿ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು. The proposed dual GST envisages taxation of the same taxable event. Means it will cancel the taxation of the same taxable event, the supply of goods and services simultaneously by both the central and state. So what this GST did is, the both central and state, it was integrated. So on the whole country economy, one tax structure was made. So this helped the goods and services to be supplied between ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಬಂದಾಗಿಂದ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಸುಲಭ ಆಯಿತು. ಅವಾಗ ಎರಡರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಕೂಡ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ harmonize the indirect tax regime in the country. It is expected to reduce cost of production and the inflation in the economy, thereby making the Indian trade industry more competitive domestically as well as internationally. So what happens when you have the tax cascading, means tax on tax is reduced, the cost of product will come down. So this will increase, this will help in the inflation. So that time what happens, a company can even compete with the international economies. ಈ ಜಿ ಎಸ್ ಟಿ ಬಂದ್ರಿಂದ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೇಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋದು ತಪ್ಪು. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟೋ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟೋದ್ರಿಂದ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನ ಬೆಲೆಯು ಕೂಡ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಿಂದ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಎಕಾನಮಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಎಕಾನಮಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. This is all about rationale for GST. Hope you have understood about this rationale for GST. If you have any queries, you can please put your queries in the comment box, all doubts. We are really happy to help you out in clarifying your doubts. And if you have understood, please put that also, that you have understood the video, so that we will feel happy that some, at least few students have understood. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because whenever I post some new lecture videos, if you have pressed the bell icon, notification icon, you will get the immediate notification of all the new videos which and all I'll upload. So it will be useful for you. So please subscribe my channel, and I'll come back with our next video. Thank you for watching this video. I'll come back with my next video.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.